Hey y'all, it is a few loose screws. Clearly. Today we are playing
You just
Speak Out. Which we know this is an old game. It has been around for a while.
Suicide Nights at Freddy's 4. It looks like that too. Check that out. Link in the description.
Yeah.
Glamour. Fame. Pickles. What?
Oh, you got it.
Big mistake, mister.
Big mistake, mister.
Heck yeah.
Point for us. Point for us.
Never hate.
Say that again?
Wild Baggins never hate. I chose that.
Wild Baggins never hate?
Wild Baggins never hate.
Wild Baggins number 8?
Oh.
Wild
I got everything but the last word.
Behave.
Wild things never behave.
So close. Wild Baggins never hate.
Wild kids never behave?
Pronounce B's as D's.
I tried
Don't
to do that.
tell him he's on the other team.
Wild Baggins never hate.
Wild things never pee? I know the wild things is in there.
Uh-huh.
Say it.
Wild the things.
Alright, you're out.
Is it
been
done?
out.
What was it? Wild baboons never behave.
I tried to say cocoon.
he said,
I got everything.
Behave yourself, Martin.
Behave yourself, barbarians.
Bull crap.
I think we're winning.
Sucks.
What?
That.
Trunks?
That.
What?
That.
Trunks by bananas.
No.
Rocks. Rocks.
Rocks by bananas.
Close.
Rocks by bananas.
Rocks.
Brooks. Brooke bites bananas.
Ready, set, move.
Oh,
3, 2, 1, go.
Music pleases me.
Music pleases me.
That's
so
so
easy.
easy.
Clearly, we are the better team.
Are you reading red or blue?
You guys can learn copies.
Tyler, you're supposed to look at Evan.
Bicycle baskets
You guys can learn copies.
Lick puppy.
with
Lauren.
one puppy,
Lauren.
warm puppy.
Yes.
Bicycle baskets with warm puppy.
Oh, yay! Not better.
Yes. Got it.
Repeat that?
Ready or not? Not a red. Shoot.
Ready or not,
Not a red.
buttered bread.
Yes.
What?
One, go.
Every which way black blues.
I got it.
Every
Which
witch
way?
lays back.
Are you kidding me?
What?
Every which way black blues.
Every witch may like fleas.
May like please.
We're gonna lose because of him. Every which way black blues.
Every witch may like.
Oh my god!
Is it 6-6 now?
Every which way black blues.
I don't get it.
Every which way but.
You.
Every which way black loose. Loose.
Loose.
Every which way black loose. Sorry.
Every witch may like lose. So what is
A
it?
new musical about the Queen of Watermelons.
A new musical about the Queen of Watermelon?
Dude, how are you so good at that?
I live with Tyler. I can't
3-9.
understand. You have to know
3-9.
how to hear words that are coming out of his mouth.
Let's go.
Oh, frogs and nasty heads.
I got that one
Old
immediately.
frogs make nasty pets.
Yes.
Was
Is that right?
Yes.
Red.
So it's
Nice.
Flip-flops fermenting in the sun.
flip-flops fermenting in the sun?
Yes.
Okay, that's not hair. That is not
For the
fair.
second round, I just had an idea that popped up into my head as we were talking, because I kept guessing the ones to y'all's and y'all kept guessing mine. So, what we're gonna do for round 2 is one person's gonna get up with the thing in their mouth and they're gonna say it, and everyone's just gonna start blurting out answers. Whoever gets it first gets the points.
A flamingo wearing goggles.
A
flamingo wearing goggles. I got it out first.
Choo choo.
I was about to
Oh,
say.
no.
Quiet
I love
in the ladies'
those.
room.
Be quiet in the ladies' room?
No. Be quiet in the ladies' room.
Be quiet in the baby's room.
And none played paint maliciously.
No,
And then play paintball viciously.
9 varieties of peppercorn mayonnaise.
Nine
Nine
varieties.
varieties of ferreted mayonnaise.
9 varieties of something.
Say it again.
9 varieties of peppercorn mayonnaise.
9 varieties of peppercorn mayonnaise. Pow!
Oh, we're doing all reds.
A duck filled has
A duck-billed
walks
platypus.
into a bar.
A duck-billed platypus walks into a door.
Oh.
Walks into a vine.
Oh.
I couldn't even hear what he
Walks into a
said.
car.
A duck-filled platypus walks into a bar.
A
duck-
dog.
Walks into a-
Love polygog glasses.
Pelicans love polywog glasses?
No. Pelicans love polygog glasses.
Oh, Pelicans
Hollywood.
love volleyball classes.
No. Pelicans love polygog glasses.
Hollywood Colossus?
I said it wrong the first time. Now I'm getting it.
Hollywood
No.
glasses.
Pelicans love polygog glasses.
Hollywood.
Falafels?
Falafels? What kind?
Say it.
Hollywood falafels?
Say it.
Pelicans love Hollywood falafels.
No. Pelicans love
Hollywood falafel.
Pelicans
That.
love polygog glasses. You gotta say the whole
Pelicans
thing.
love Holly Wog.
Polywog flash.
Pelicans
You
love
know what I'm trying to
polygog- Yeah, you
say.
gotta get it.
What
You're not
is-
saying it.
What is it?
We all said it now.
Pelicans love polygog glasses.
Pelicans love volleyball falafels.
No.
Say the Holly thingy again. Pelicans love
Polygog.
Hollywog falafels.
There's no such word as hollywog.
Shut up.
Polygog glasses.
He's over here so convinced. Hollywog.
Hollywood.
I've said it. Hollywog. I've already said it.
Everyone has said what it is.
Okay, we all.
Nobody got close to
Time.
hollywog.
What is
It's
it?
time.
What is it?
You're not saying it right.
Pelicans love polywog falafels.
You're not saying it.
Hollywog.
Thank you guys for watching.
Speak out.
Jesus loves you. Tina out.
Which one goes in my mouth?
These ones.
The big ones?
Yes.
I want to read that.
I gotta keep doing red.
They're not.
Was that
red.
I flunked math?
I can't. Yellow?
Like an Ella.
Like that.
Who is it? Who is it?
Pooh funked math?
Funk.
I meant flunked.